Jai Hind and welcome to Team MND, the futurist. Now, there was a comment on my YouTube channel saying stop creating propaganda about Pakistan. A lot of secular reforms are happening in Pakistan. See, I have said multiple times. First, this channel name is the futurist. It embodies my leadership. We have a vision, and that's where we talk about the future. But there are some regions in the globe, on the planet, which are stuck and stagnated. Pakistan can never have secular reforms. Why? Because you people function on ideologies and not any strategy. I will not go beyond this on this subject. Now, 26/11 was not just a terror attack, it was a meticulously planned act of war. And two terrorists operating thousands of miles away, they were the key architects of the chaos: David Coleman Headley and Tahawur Hussain Rana. David Headley was not your typical terrorist. Born in America, educated in elite schools, and fluent in Western culture, he was the perfect undercover agent. But beneath that polished exterior was a man trained by Pakistan's ISI and Lashkar-e-Taiba. What was Headley's mission? To map out Mumbai for slaughter disguised as a tourist. He shot videos of Taj Hotel, CSD station, and Narimad House. Now, those videos became the blueprint for the 10 gunmen who unleashed terror on the city. But certainly, Headley didn't act alone. Tahawur Rana, his childhood friend and former Pakistani army doctor. Now, these are the kind of people and officers are there in Pakistani army who are our neighbors, and that's why Pakistan will always remain an unfortunate shadow threat to our country. Now, he was running an immigration business in Chicago. It was this firm that gave Headley a cover story, travel documents, and credibility to roam freely in India. Rana claims he was misled, that he thought Headley was working for Indian intelligence, but communication, records, and testimonies, and his own ties to ISI handlers painted a different picture, one of the complicity, not ignorance. And looming over it all, the role of Pakistan's ISI. Headley openly admitted the ISI trained him, funded his missions, and even selected targets in the city. So today, Headley is in a US prison protected by a plea deal that shielded him from extradition. Rana too has served his time. Tahawur Hussain Rana now is in a Delhi jail after his April 9, 2025 extradition. Now, this was not just an attack. Mumbai attack was just not an attack. It was a state enabled operation, and these are the kind of operations which are led by Pakistan Army. This is the leadership of Pakistan Army. And the story of Headley and Rana